How to copy page contents to a new page size with Raster Image Printer 12. In this video, we will walk through an example where you have a multi-page document with a mixture of letter and legal-sized pages and want to create a file with only letter-sized pages. This will allow me to demonstrate how to use the page resizing tools available with version 12 of Peernet's image printers. Here is the original Word document that we will be printing to either TIFF Image Printer, PDF Image Printer, or Raster Image Printer. As you can see, there is a mixture of letter and legal-sized pages. Begin by creating a custom profile that you want applied during conversion. The profile is a group of settings that will create the output image you want. Double-click on the image printer icon on your desktop to launch the image printer dashboard. If you have removed the image printer icon from your desktop, you will find it by selecting Start and scrolling down to your image printer. Select Edit and Create Profiles. Either create a copy of one of our system profiles or select Add Profile. I will create a copy of the system profile, Color Optimized TIFF, because I still want to create a color multi-page TIFF image. I just want to enable the setting to copy page contents to a new page size. Rename the profile to something you will recognize. In this example, I will call it a Demo Profile and add Letter Only to the description. Go to the Page Resizing tab. Under Copy Page to New Size, enable Copy and scale each page onto its new page size inside the set margins. Now enter the dimensions for a letter-sized page, because we want all the pages of our TIFF file to be letter-sized. You can copy the page size from our list of standardized page dimensions. You can force to portrait or landscape orientation, or just allow both orientations. We recommend leaving Scale Page as Fit to Page. This allows your image printer to increase or decrease the size of the page contents as needed to fit the new page size. Similarly, it is best to leave Maintain Page Aspect Ratio enabled. The only time you may need to change Scale Page to actual size is if your original document is a much smaller page size and you do not want the content stretched to fit the new page size. Click Save and Back and close the Profile Manager. If you wish to make this new profile the default profile used by the image printer, select Manage Printers. Beside your image printer, drop the box for the profile and select your new profile as the default. Save your changes. Printer management also allows you to rename the printer and create multiple copies of the printer. Close printer management and the dashboard. Now when we print our sample document to your image printer, we can see that we've created a file with all letter-sized pages. All the pages that were previously legal size have been scaled down to fit the new letter-sized page. Try out our Raster Image Printer for yourself and see how easy and effective it really is. Click the link below to download a free trial.